Hello, this is Diane Stevens, and this will be a short video about the HTML editor called KompoZer. This will just be a quick little tour about some of its features. Okay, here we are at a KompoZer page opened. Let's start at the top with the blue bar. You'll notice it says Untitled KompoZer. That is called the title bar, and in it you can put your own title, your website address, or the topic which your web page is about. In the next row down, you may recognize this toolbar. Almost all programs have them, and if you click on one of them, they bring up other drop-down menus with things that you can do within the program. On the third one down are icons, which are basically shortcuts to most of the functions that are up in the previous bar. New will get you a new document open. You can open one that you already have been working on. Save, you want to press that when you have changed something so that you don't lose it. Publish, you can use the publish button on KompoZer to publish your pages to the web, although an FTP client is more versatile, so I recommend that you use an FTP client such as FileZilla. The browse, this is kind of unique to KompoZer, and what happens if you press on the browse, you will be able to see how your web page will look online before you have uploaded it. So you can see how it will look while you are making changes without actually having uploaded it yet. The undo and redo buttons are for if you have made a change. Let's say you type in some letters and you spell something wrong, or you want to get rid of it. If you undo, it will get rid of it. If you think, uh-oh, I should have kept it, you can hit the redo and it will put it back on. So we don't need that, so we'll just undo it. Okay, an anchor is a type of link, which is also in the next one over. These are very important. On our web pages, we can link to other areas of our website or other websites altogether, and we use one of these anchor or the links to do it. Image is pretty self-explanatory when you want to put an image in, and a table and form are just a couple of boxes that you put in. We will use table, but I don't use form very much. And CSS is a little more advanced than we need to worry about right now. Alright, down on the next bar are body text, and you can designate what, if you want to just use a paragraph font or heading, or just it tells you different types of text you can use. To tell you the truth, I do not know what this box is for, and I've never used it, so I don't think we'll just worry about that. Then there's exclamation points and a couple more, and that is just to add emphasis to your work. There are numbered lists and bullet points. And then these are some indenting tools in these boxes here. Down here at the variable width, you could choose some fonts. The little boxes here are for the colors of your text. The next one next to it is highlight, so that's colors you can highlight your text with. The A with the down arrow will make your font size smaller. The A with the up arrow will make a larger font size. Then bold, italic, and underline, as well as left align, center align, and right align to say where we want our text is at. Okay, and I'm sorry, last one was justified. That makes them all nice and even at the end. Alright, there's two more things we would like to look at, and they're down at the bottom. There's 4 tabs down here. We will only be using 2 of them. 99% of the time you will look at it in normal, but once in a while you will need to use the source. Now, the source shows the HTML code, which is how the computers communicate with each other. They don't read normal text like we do, so in order for the computers to communicate, they need to have the source written in code. It's a HTML code, and if we click on this link, we will see how the page looks right now in computer language. And there it is. It's a little confusing at first, but it's not that bad. We will be using it a little bit, and it's not that hard to do after someone shows you how to do it. Okay, that's some of the basic features of your HTML editor. Hope you enjoyed it.